Okay, welcome to the Zermatterhof classic double room. I'll be honest, it's the cheapest one. Big spenders. Okay, very wood-like in here. You walk in and it's all like, look at me, I'm naughty pine. We have a wardrobe right here. Sorry, let me put this in frame. Big three wardrobes. Like, I don't know if you were skiing, I guess you would ski, valet, like all your stuff. Maybe there's a ski room somewhere. There's a closet here. Some pretty big closet space in here. Nothing too crazy. There's a mirror over here. Safe, etc. Bathrobes, which is nice.
26-inch television.
26-inch television. Get it at your local Walmart. This is a little coffee bar, actually pretty cute. I'll be honest, we bought some booze ourselves because we are maybe not that exciting, but there is a lot of wine options. Some little sneaky snackies. There's a nectarine and a plum. I don't know what the vibe is. Some little sitting chairs over here. The view is, I don't know, I think it's supposed to just be like mountain view or whatever, but I mean, I think like it's really beautiful. Listen, Zermatt is like insanely gorgeous, so it doesn't really matter. You feel like you're living the mountain dream. This does not have a balcony, which is kind of sad times now that you see other people's balconies, but you know, try to be appreciative. The bed, assume it's a king, looks king-like. Pretty cute. I weirdly like these. I feel like this is a very Swiss thing to have your own bed sheets, which I've been really enjoying. Everywhere in the hotel, there's lots of like Zermatt artwork, Matterhorn artwork, which is pretty good times. But otherwise, honestly, the service has been phenomenal. Little desk over here. Sorry, it's the other thing. Service has been amazing. We had a little welcome drink at the bar outside, and it was gorgeous. But yeah, otherwise, like not huge, but a really cute room with a little corner option. Nice and bright, kinda, and nice wood paneled ceiling. Honestly, it's cute. Okay, little tour of the bathroom quick. It's all tile. It's cute enough. Says me. Elapor. Accessories here. I mean, honestly, there's a lot here, which is nice. It's like separate. Like I have his and hers sort of. Hand sanitizer, just kind of cute. Some glasses. Pretty big tub, shower. I hate these ones. Like just put a regular shower head in, but that's fine. And yeah, I mean, otherwise if you don't have a bath, pretty fire. And towel warmer. Okay, that's about it at the Zermatterhof in Zermatt, Switzerland. Okay, bye.